The year is 2023. India has just reached the World Test Championship final under the leadership of Rohit Sharma. The stakes are high, the expectations even higher. But this is just the beginning of a journey filled with setbacks, heartbreaks, and ultimately redemption. From near misses to glorious triumphs, this is the story of a captain who redefined Indian cricket on the biggest stages. By the time India reached the WTC 2023 final against Australia, Rohit Sharma had assumed captaincy. His leadership had already begun to reflect a calm yet aggressive approach. However, India once again stumbled in the final, falling short against the dominant Australian side. Rohit's tactical acumen was evident, but the heartbreak of yet another missed ICC trophy added fuel to his fire. The 2023 ODI World Cup saw Rohit Sharma at his absolute best as captain. His fearless intent at the top of the order, combined with impeccable leadership, guided India to a dominant run in the tournament. However, destiny had other plans. In front of packed Narendra Modi Stadium, India faltered against Australia in the final. The image of Rohit walking back after a blistering start remains etched in the memory of every Indian fan. It was a moment of devastation, but Rohit had shown the seeds of something greater. If there was one man who could lift the team from despair, it was Rohit Sharma. The 2024 T20 World Cup proved to be his defining moment as captain. Under his leadership, India showcased a fearless brand of cricket. The final was a high-octane clash, and this time, Rohit's tactical brilliance ensured that India emerged victorious. Lifting the T20I World Cup trophy, he had finally broken the ICC trophy drought, a moment of redemption not just for himself, but for Indian cricket. Riding high on the T20I World Cup triumph, Rohit Sharma led India into the Champions Trophy 2025 with renewed confidence. His ability to instill self-belief in this team turned them into an unstoppable force. This time there was no heartbreak, only celebration. India claimed the Champions Trophy under his captaincy, cementing his place as one of the greatest Indian captains in history. From the lows of WTC 2023 to the heights of T20I World Cup 2024 and Champions Trophy 2025, Rohit Sharma's captaincy journey is a testament to resilience, learning, and redemption. He transformed from player to a witnessed heartbreak to a leader who carved his name among the greats. If cricket is a game of narratives, Rohit Sharma has written one of its finest chapters, one that will be told for generations. The hitman didn't just play, he led and he conquered.